December 1956. At 65 years of age, what he did not do for Dalit, he did every possible thing what he could have done. He was popularly known as Baba Saheb. He was popularly known as Baba Saheb and was an Indian jurist, economist, social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaigned against the social discrimination, that is untouchability of the Dalit, while also supporting the rights of women and labor. He was independent India's first law minister and principal architect of the Constitution of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was principal architect of the Constitution of India. Ambedkar was a prolific student, earning doctorate in economics from both Columbia University and the London School of Economics, and gained reputation as a scholar for his research in law, economics and political science. Of course he campaigned, but he just did not campaign, but he had a strong academic educational background, and some of his quotes are: cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. So we should cultivate the mind, whether it is a general category employed or a Dalit or somebody else, but everybody should be developed. When an organization tries to serve in the turbulent, dynamic market, strong emphasis must be laid on human capital. Human capital is the main point, whether it is Dalit, it is general category or any other, in order to be competitive and financially solvent. However, there are other factors that affect organization success. Organization must process productive, that is effective and efficient employee. But employee does not refer only to the general category, but also to the Dalits. We should not leave the Dalits behind, but take them along with us, along with the general category.